My name is Sonya Linton. I graduated from Annapolis in 2000. So I'm an attorney in Durham. I have my own law office downtown doing trust and estates, so that's wills and trusts, things like that. And ultimately, 8 years after beginning practice, I feel like I finally found those kind of guiding principles that St. John's really helped me. My husband and I both graduated from Annapolis, he a couple years before me. And the moments that our life has to be out of balance, say when we had a kid or work's particularly stressful, we understand that we're always going to come back to our baseline of this really well-rounded life. I'm really not sure that I would be as brave and as bold without an understanding of what it means. My grounding is so much wider and deeper than it would have been had I just gone and studied philosophy at wherever college and not really taken it that extra step. Going to St. John's just put the idea in my head of that you can do a variety of different things well and thoughtfully. So ultimately I went to law school and became a lawyer, which is a pretty common path for a lot of Johnnies. But I do it in my own way as well. Like I don't worry about if I'm making the most money that I could possibly make or doing the most prestigious job that I could do. I look at it holistically and I look at it towards the ends that it's allowing me to get to. What the key was, does it bring you to a love of learning? Does it bring you to a curiosity, an honest intellectual curiosity? But it's really that intellectual curiosity and that way that you can learn and sitting down and really loving it and what that can bring to your life, that richness and that just pure happiness that education, when done well, can do. Every day I find different ways that St. John, the education I've received, not only enriches my life but my career. It is not for everybody, and that's just the truth, but the people that it's good for, it's so good for them. The people I've met here, even though it's not necessarily weekly or monthly or even yearly that I see them, when I see them I just feel like they're kindred spirits.